graders, today we are going to be solving 3-digit problems. We're gonna be solving addition facts using 3 addends. 3 addends. I shouldn't say 3 digits. 3 addends. Okay. So let me tell you the story for today. Mr. Kim bought 5 balloons, 5 blue balloons, 4 red balloons, and 5 yellow balloons. How many balloons did Mr. Kim buy? Okay, now you could draw a picture, okay? You could draw circles for all of the balloons that they had. But I also, or I mainly want numbers, okay? So, Mr. Kim bought 5 blue balloons. So write a 5. Okay? And then if some of you need to count or draw 5, then it's fine if you draw 5. But I want the number on there too. 4 red balloons. And 5 yellow balloons. How many balloons did Mr. Kim buy? Okay. Now, let's try to make this easy. Can we make 10 with 2 numbers? What 2 numbers can make 10? Landon? 5 and 5. These 2 5s can make 10, right? So that 5 and 5 is 10. What's 4 more than that? 4 more than 10, Kinley? 14. Now you could have counted the circles if you wanted to. But yes, 14 is the answer. 14 what? Jason? Or just balloons? 14 balloons. Because there were not just red ones, there were blue ones too. Balloons. 14 balloons. Okay, next one. Okay, next problem. Are you ready? Mary Beth has 3 green shirts. So you guys can start this. 3 green shirts, 6 blue shirts, and 2 yellow shirts. How many shirts does Mary Beth have? So she has 3 green shirts, 6 blue shirts, and 2 yellow shirts. If you need to draw these 2 to count, that's fine. But, we don't really have a number that will equal 10, do we? Not this time. But, we could do this. Count with the big number first. 6, right? Then I can count on 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So how many shirts does Beth have?
11.
11 what?
Shirts.
11 shirts. Yes, Landon? No. That just helps me. That's how I count. There is a special kind of math that they do that show dots so that you can remember how to count them. It's not fancy, no. It's a certain kind of dot. It's called dot math. Really, is what it's called. Yeah. And so that's how I count when I see numbers. You can do it for 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You can't do it for 6, 7, 8, and 9. Ish. Like 1 is just 1 dot. Okay, 2 is 2 dots right here and right here. 3 is 1, 2, 3. 4 is like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 5 is like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if I'm trying to count, like if I say I have 9, okay, it's 9 plus 5. I go 9 in my head, and then I count the dots, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So I can get it really fast. That's how I was taught to count on. Okay, what if I did 9 plus 4? 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Yep. Well, yeah, it's not that old, guys. Teaching kindergartners it before. All right, next page. All right, there are different ways to add 3 numbers. So we are going to add 23 plus 41 plus 17. On the first page, we add easy numbers. This time, we're adding 2-digit numbers. Okay? Think of different ways to choose digits in the ones column. So what I'm going to do is I would like you to just stack and add, like you've been doing. Okay? So what you do is you add the ones just like you do stacking and adding. Okay? Add the ones. 3, and a lot of times you can try to find something that makes 10. So in this one, 3 and 7 makes 10, right? What's one more than that? Because then you have to add the 1. 11. So add the 1, put the 1 on top. Okay. Now let's add the 10s. 1 plus 2.
3.
What? Okay, so now using my dot math. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 1, 8. So what's my answer?
81.
81. Okay, the other way that they did it is instead of making 10 with 3 and 7, they made 4 with 3 and 1. So now you're just doing 7 plus 4. 7 plus 4 is 11. It's still the same as this side. It's 11. 1, add the 1. And then you can, I start with a big number. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 81. Okay. Let's do number 1. I want to see if you can do it on your own. Really quick, I'm going to give you a little bit of time to try to do number 1 on your own. And then we'll check it with me. I'll do it with you. Okay? Remember, do the 1 side first, and then do the 10s. Okay, go ahead. 3 plus 4 plus 2. Okay, so we are adding the 1s first. 3 plus 4 is 7. 2 more is 8, 9. So you put 9. Then you go to the 10s place. That is second. 3 plus 3 is 6. 3 more than that is 9. So our answer would be 99. Does that make sense? Okay, I'll pick your partners. Looks like on your own, when you're done, you have to do all this.
Can we do the hot problem?
Oh, this is like a guess and check. Yeah, let's do it right now. 3 numbers that have the sum of 73. Okay, so give me 3 numbers from in there. Ivan? 49 plus what? Plus 25 plus what? Plus 13. Okay. What's 9 plus 5, everybody? 14. 14 plus 3 is?
17.
Okay, 7, add a 1. Well, is it gonna be 73? No, because the 1's place doesn't have a 3. So guys, if we want a 3, we're gonna have it equal a 13 probably, just so you know. So look at all the 10s. What 3 numbers, or not all the 10s, I'm sorry, all the 1's places. What 3 numbers would equal 13? Or have the 1s that would equal a 13? 13 and that's 8 plus 3. 11. 11. So you only want 2 more. Is there a number that has 2 in it? 32. Okay, let's see. We said that 8 plus 3 is 11, 12, 13. Add the 1. What's 3? 3.
4, 5, 6.
No, we're 10 off. So can't use those 3 numbers together. We need another way to make 13 with these 10s. 8 plus 2 plus 3 did work, but it wasn't the right answer. Lena?
25.
Okay, 25 plus what?
Plus 16.
Plus 16. Now that's 11, right? So you need 2 more. The only number that has a 2 in the tens is 32. Right?
32.
Okay. So this will be 13. Add the 1. Let's see. 3,
4, 5, 6, 7.
Got it. 3 numbers then. Circle the 3 numbers. So we need 25, 16, and 32. Okay, wait. So one of these numbers is the sum. Oh, guess I should have used the clues, huh? One of the numbers is the sum of 8 and 8. 8 plus 8 is 16. One of the numbers is between 20 and 30. Which number was in between 20 and 30? 25. I made that hard on this. Sorry.
Hey, I got it.
Yep, you did get it.
I just
Okay. Write a story problem that could be solved using this number sentence. 28 plus blank equals 40. Okay, whenever we do a numbers or a word problem, a story problem, we have to come up with somebody's name or something first. So, Isaac? Something short. Quick. Tom.
That's exactly what I was thinking about. Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to start over here just in case I'm going to need lots of room. Some of you that write very big need to also because I want it to be neatly written. Sharon, Kinley, Ethan. Okay, Tom. What about Tom? What do you want to say about Tom? Chase?
Has 40.
He has 40 what? Tom has 40 fruits. Okay, that's the total, right? Right? Okay, that's the total. So now we have to make up some new things. Give me some more, Jaren.
His mom gave him. Wait, no.
You can do that.
Wait,
What's the other number that we know?
Did you put a period?
Okay, how about we say his mom gave him some fruit. Okay. His mom gave him some fruit. Okay, that's the missing number because we don't know how much she gave him, right? He had 28 fruits to begin with. What's my question going to be? What is the one that we don't know? Isaac? No, not apples, fruit. We're always saying fruit. No, not how much fruit does he have now? We already know he has 40 now. What do we not know? No. What do we not know? How many fruit did his Mom.